Hey guys, it's Luke from Apple Tech Design here with an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Nexus. Okay guys, so this is the Samsung Galaxy Nexus. So on the front it has the front of the phone, the side of the phone, other side of the phone, and the back. So let's get into it. So here we go. So this phone was released in 2011 on Ice Cream Sandwich, but it is upgradable to Jelly Bean, so I'm not sure if this was upgraded. So this is the inside of the box. It has foam on the top and the Android logo. And here is the phone itself. Very nice. So I'll go through the specs at the end. So in the bottom here you have your wall adapter to USB. You lift up the top, nothing there. Here's your quick start guide. Here's your headphones that you get with the Galaxy Nexus. Here is your battery. This is a 3.7 volt. It has 1,750 milliamp hours on it. And this is your USB to mini USB charging cable. Okay guys, so this is all you get in the box. So let's take a look at the Nexus. Take the plastic off the back and the plastic off the front. We'll say this is a very nice phone. So the specs on it, it is a Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen. It is 720 by 1280. It is a 4.65 inch display, or that is diagonally. It has 316 ppi. This one is 16 gigabyte storage and 1 gig of RAM. It is on the back it has a 5 megapixel autofocus camera. It does shoot 1080p at 24 frames per second and 720p at 30 frames per second. It does have a dual-core 1.2 gigahertz Cortex-A9 chip in it. So let's take the back off. So you just grab up here and pop off. And we go get the battery out. Okay, there we go. I got the battery in. Take the back. There are, I don't know how many snaps. Just go around, snap it into place. Okay guys, so let's boot her up. It'll vibrate there. Google. The Nexus logo. Welcome. English. Start. Okay guys, so I'll let this sit and come back to it when it's done. Okay guys, so here we are. It has done its thinking. Tells me I need to insert a SIM card. I don't have a SIM card right now. Just skip through that. Selecting Wi-Fi. Skip. Do that later. Have a Google account. If you have Gmail, answer yes. Yes. Back. Okay, it wants Wi-Fi. I'll do that later. Not location, date and time. So I am in Eastern time? Nope. Where am I? Canada. Current date. It is January 16th. 2013. Current time. It is 7:19 p.m. Where am I? Why Alaska Pacific time, 8 o'clock. No. It is 7:16, 19, 20. Done. Next. Phone's user uses your name to personalize some apps. Google service. You agree that your phone may receive. Yeah. Yes. Setup complete. Your phone is set up, ready to use. Finish. Okay, so this is just going through setup. So this is the phone, and open settings. Go down to about phone, and here we have Android version 4.141. So if you tap this, so this is Jelly Bean. So this is a cool thing that they added in. So you can just toss the jelly beans around. And they just start slowly coming back. So yeah, this is Jelly Bean. Very nice OS. Okay guys, so that's it for the Galaxy Nexus. If you liked the video, leave a comment, and remember to like if you want to subscribe for more videos like this. I will hopefully have more in the future. But yeah, thanks for watching.